What's going on, everybody? For this week's episode of Cheap and Crappy, we have a Walmart Impressions Hugger. The reason I'm doing this one in the shed is because this thing is a true freaking fire hazard. This pull chain in here, see how it's not pulling? It's melted, like really melted. And the lights aren't hooked up because the wire actually melted out of the pull chain. That's what happens when you put over wattage light bulbs in a fan that can only handle 60 at most. I removed this from an apartment. I've still got a lot of work down there. I have to put in a proper fan rated box because this was actually falling off the ceiling. And on top of that, it's just, she wanted a brand new one in the apartment. Yeah, so let's get started. There's low speed. And see, that I don't want a fire hazard in my house because my house is from 1875. And if something catches it on fire, it's going to go up. And there's some bare wire going into this fan. So I'm gingerly doing a test of it for you guys on YouTube. You know, this pull fob here has higher build quality than this entire freaking ceiling fan. It's nice looking, I'll give it that. So there's medium. Sounds a little electrical, I can hear it going. Now we'll go to high. As you can see, it's not very fast. I never expected it to be, being Walmart. I think this fan was like 20 bucks at the time. I don't know if you can hear that grinding. Yep. Garbage. Now I'll shut it off. Yeah, I can't even do the light because the freaking pull chain melted. Talk about cheaper than dirt. Like I say, not a bad looking fan. It's decent for being Walmart. I'll give it that much. Yeah, this is from 2001. You can see there too, Impressions tried to mimic the CEI ceiling fan motor. You can see a couple blades are bent. So she's probably right in deciding she wants a new one. Because I told her I could fix this thing and stuff. She's like, nope. She said, I'll just get a brand new one. And the landlord actually offered to get a brand new one. So that's just the decision that was made. And it's ironic. My grandmother lives right next door to this tenant. And this tenant is actually my dad's girlfriend and stuff. And here's what I'm saying is ironic. This ceiling fan looks identical to the one in my grandma's living room, but the one in my grandma's living room is a Harbor Breeze Morocco in polished brass, and it's got the little sunshade designs on it, and these are cane inserted. And they're wood grain finish. But what do I wind up with? The Walmart one. I would much rather have that Morocco from my grandma's living room. But I'm not gonna lie about this thing. The bearings are not as bad as I expected them to be. Yeah, I can't say I particularly would install this ceiling fan in my house for use. It looks pretty nice, but I'm telling you guys, just look at this. And that is as tight as it'll go to that box. And look at these. They're so flimsy. Just watch. See how the whole thing just trembles? It's really, really cheap metal. So, hope you all enjoyed this Walmart Impressions ceiling fan from 2001. Like I say, not bad looking. One thing that is weird is blades reverse to white. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, stay tuned, and see you in the next one.